I said the world is trouble, and living ain't easy. I said the world is trouble. You got to believe it. The world is trouble, yeah. And living ain't easy. I said the world is trouble. You got to believe it. Why, yeah. Oh, right now. Ooh, yeah. See, after all these things shall come to pass, the end shall not be near. And after all these things shall come to pass, the end shall not be near. There shall be hijacking, kidnapping all over the earth. Oh yeah, hijacking, kidnapping all over the earth. Oh yeah, got to get together, yeah. 'Cause the world is trouble, and living ain't easy. The whole wide world is trouble. You got to believe it. The world is trouble, child, and living ain't easy. I said the world is trouble. You got to believe it. Oh yeah. The whole wide world is trouble. The whole wide world. Whoa, yeah. Why do the heathen rage and the people imagine a vain thing? The kings of the earth set themselves and the rulers they counsel together against the Lord and against his anointed, saying, let us break their bands asunder and cast away their cords from us. He that sitteth in the heavens shall laugh, the Lord shall have them in derision. Then shall he speak unto them in his sore displeasure. Yeah, or it's just a cosmic force, telepathic communication, cosmic force. Yeah, it's just a cosmic force. Hey, say it's just a cosmic telepathic communication. Whoa, see your brother when he's down, he's always wearing a frown, yeah. Try and do the best you can, for he's your brother, man. No one is perfect, and he who is perfect, let him cast the first stone. And everyone in life has phases we all go through. It's just a cosmic, yeah. Cosmic, yeah. Telepathic communication, cosmic force. Yes, it's just a cosmic force. Hey, it's just a cosmic, yeah. Cosmic force. Whoa, yeah. Lord of mercy now. Yeah, alright. Oh yeah. Blessed is the overcomer, stone. Yes, everyone in life has phases we all go through, or it's just a cosmic force. Yeah, it's just a cosmic telepathic communication. Whoa, it's just a cosmic, yeah, cosmic force. It's just a cosmic telepathic communication. Yeah, cosmic force.
We must shout for murder. We must shout for murder tonight. Hey. Inna the neighborhood watch. Slang bang inna the neighborhood watch.
My gosh!
Yes, inna the neighborhood watch. Down inna the neighborhood watch.
Big fish and spot.
All the while, them coming on me yard. Thief off me clothes off a line. But tonight, we dey on me yard. Yes, me I go broke a boy's spine. Lad inna the neighborhood watch.
Hear that?
We sit down inna the neighborhood watch.
Watch this.
Slang bang inna the neighborhood watch.
Let me know. So tell them now. Tell them say me stop sleep at night. Them a robber to be face. Them get too rest. So tell them now. Tell them say me stop sleep at night. Them a robber to be face. Them get too rest. And them thief when me video and me one flashlight. And thief off me silk and me linen last night. But selfie wonder me a set up tonight. Anytime me hold him, me ma go lose him eyesight.
Inna the neighborhood watch. Yes, inna the neighborhood watch.
Big fish and spot.
Inna the neighborhood watch. Hold on. I work so hard 7 days a week just to live at ease. Still these thieves don't give me a chance. They do all the things they please.
Can't live in peace.
But tonight, me dey on me yard. Yes, me happy hold one tonight. Now inna the neighborhood watch.
Big fish and spot.
Inna the neighborhood watch. Woman and man inna the neighborhood watch.
You tell them, some me girl night, but they still not certain. If me a come win, gun or me have me bad, say me good night, but them still not certain. If me a come win gun, or me have me bad, watch ya. When they see me say them get frightened. Me say some of them a flash like them a flash card. Me youngie here, but me do see nothing. Only their footprint me see in a my garden. Me friend, post me take up the desert eagle. Me draw for the long thing, they pump rifle. Me say to God, say me had a murder something. Me say come down Luciano, come tell them something.
We no have no time for go sleep tonight. No way, because the petty thief are pro and I know me happy there on me move. Lado, me say Southside, Tel Aviv, Jungle and Rima, Greenvale, Greendale, Painland and Warwick, Deep Park and Meadowbrook, down in the neighborhood watch.
Neighborhood watch.
Inna the neighborhood watch. Lord God, Lord inna the neighborhood watch.
Big fish and spot.
Inna the neighborhood watch.
Hear me now. No show me build a big house, me say up a Ken cat. So no boy them a flip up, but they no like that. Me say over me fence and where them scale over that they want. Take away me stove they want, take away me pot they want, take away me TV and me what not. Anytime me hold them, me say them sure I go flap to make them know. Tell us say me stop sleep at night, them a robber to be face, them get too rest so make them know. Tell us say me stop sleep at night, them a robber to be face, them get too rest. And them thief when me video and me one flashlight, and thief and me silk and me linen last night. So come down Luciano, come tell them.
Oh, sweet home, bingy, bingy, man, and you're the home. The Rasta man, they're going on, the bingy man, they're going on. Rasta man, they're going on. The Rasta man, they're going on, Hey, now, I'll me tell them 7 leaving. Cause Babylon's too deceiving. There is a government still asking what kind of message I'm sending. Me say they're going home. The Rasta man them going home. The Naya man them going home. Jaja children a go home. Jaja children a go home. Jaja children a go home, 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 home. Hey, now, now, now. Mash up all them scissors, broke up all them comb. Put on my sandals and go trample down Rome. We've got a right to make our own decision, and that is why we are going to trample Babylon and then go home. The Rasta youth them going home. The Bingy man them going home. Home, 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 home. Hey, now, now, now. US of A couldn't be my home. Over in Canada is not my home. Over in Europe couldn't be my home. Over in Asia couldn't be my home. Down in Jamaica couldn't be my home. I'm leaving west, I'm headed east, going home, sweet home. Hey, now, now, now. Living out of bondage, no money underprivileged. Living out of sorrow, won't even have to see them tomorrow. Hey, now they've been giving us on the back, beating us off the track. To we hail His Majesty and we hail Him non-stop. None of them get vexed, start to send dread, but them trouble Rasta pick me man a instant dead. We going home, the Rasta pick me going home. The Bingy man them going home, 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 home. Rasta man them going home. I a Bingy going home. Just now, the Bobo Jet them going home, 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 home. Hey, now, now, now. Look to the east for the coming of the King. Glory be, triumphant song we sing. And over the side it will be to see Babylon children coming on the wings. Babylon children coming on the wings. Ayata inde, triumphant song we sing. Ayata inde, triumphant song we sing. The Rasta man is going home, 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 home. The Bingy man is going home. The Rasta man is going home. Hey, now, now, now. I'll me tell them say me leaving now, cause Babylon's too deceiving. Parents and government keep asking what kind of message I'm sending. I said I'm going home. Hey. Ethiopia, I'm a home. Well, Ethiopia, I'm a home, 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 home.
I stand up in the powers of the Most High. Georgia, Georgia, stand up in the powers of the Most High. Stand up straight, Ethiopians, help I chant down Babylon gate. Stand up straight now, Ethiopians, help I chant down Babylon gates now. Judy gang said we bend down low, they thought that's how it go. So a lot of them don't touch them toe. Never knew that it was a trick. Babylon was plotting to it. Babylon start lash them with big stick. Them jump up quick, but through the powers of the Most High Jah, I and I will get over. Chant no more blood-sucking vampire. And stand up straight, Ethiopians, help I chant down Babylon gate. Stand up straight now, Ethiopians, help I chant down Babylon gate. All the people talk Babylon won't cooperate. All them do is just lead the children astray, instigating war and fighting, criticizing without realizing the whole wide world is in a mess. Lord of mercy, the whole wide world is in a mess. What a stress! Stand up straight. send man go a moon. This whole world is gonna be a doom. Nothing else but a concrete tomb. If you don't change up your evilest ways, you hear me? Jah the Almighty will shorten up your days. Come along now and stand up straight. Ethiopians, help I chant down Babylon gate. Stand up straight now. Ethiopians, help I chant down Babylon gate. Stand up straight. Ethiopians, help I chant down Babylon gates now. Stand up straight.
Yeah. In the streets it's getting hot, and the youths them I get so cold. Searching for food for the pot, and they'll do anything to fill that gap. Lord, in the streets it's getting hot, and the youths them I get so cold. Searching for food for the pot, where they'll do anything to fill that gap. As generation comes and grows, you got to make preparation while the youths them grow. It's what you reap, it's what you sow. The youths them are the light and the future, so when that's them, you know. If education is the key, now tell me why the bigger heads are make it so expensive for we. Give them the key or set them free. In the streets it's getting hot, and the youths them I get so cold. Searching for food for the pot, where they do anything to fill that gap. Boy, in the streets it's getting hot, and the youths them I get so cold. Searching for food for the pot, where they do anything to fill that gap. Oh na na na, oh mama, oh mama na na na. Got to find a better way, 'cause when me looking at Babylon, me see a fearful play. I saw the Gideon say, yeah. Our nation come together, know the King's last years, the truth and the light and the way. Teach the people, lead them in the right way. 'Cause in the streets it's getting hot, and the youths them I get so cold. Searching for food for the pot, they'll do anything to fill that gap. Boy, in the streets it's getting hot, and the youths them I get so cold. Searching for food for the pot, they'll do anything to fill that gap. Yeah. You got to show the people there's still a brighter way. Yeah. I know for sure the sun will come out today. Yeah. Vanities and illusion will have to fade away, yeah. And all the wicked deeds are done, I know you got to pay, yeah. 'Cause in the streets it's getting hot, and the youths them I get so cold. Searching for food for the pot, they'll do anything to fill that gap, yeah. In the streets it's getting hot, and the youths them I get so cold. Searching for food for the pot, they'll do anything to fill that gap. As generation comes and go, you got to make preparation while the youths them a grow. It's what you reap, is what you sow. The youths them are the light and the future, let's send us them, you know. If education is the key, now tell me why the bigger heads they make it so expensive for we. And give them the key or set them free. Oh yeah, yeah na na. I need a Gideon boot and a khaki suit. Me stand out in a Babylon and represent the truth. Me nah go see a road and see bad things and keep me mouth on mute. I I got a strong reggae beat with a mic in my hand. To lead out the youths them out of destruction and tell the people they should know right from wrong. We got the strength, we got the power to help each other up the ladder. Don't be selfish to help your brothers today. We can make it if we try. Just remember to hold your head high. It doesn't make sense when we fuss and fight. I need a Gideon boot and a khaki suit. We stand out in a Babylon and defend the truth. Me nah go sit aside and watch Babylon and keep me mouth from mute. I've got a strong reggae beat and a mic in my hand. To lead out the youths them out of destruction and let the people know right from wrong. All who believe in love will get a blessing from above. All who believe in love, all who believe in love will get a blessing from above. All who believe in love, calling all the leaders of the world today. Give an eye to the poorer class, I say, yeah. Got to let the people know the right from the wrong. They are depending on you to lead the way, yeah. People just be wise, believe in yourself. The future generation depends on you. Hey. Show a little love in your arms and let the people know there's more to life. I need a Gideon boot and a khaki suit. We stand up in a Babylon and defend the truth. Me nah go sit aside and watch Babylon and keep me mouth from mute. I've got a strong reggae beat and a mic in my hand. To lead out the youths them out of destruction and let the people know right from wrong. All who believe in love will get a blessing from above. All who believe in love, all who believe in love will get a blessing from above.
We want no more wars around us, no more walls to divide us. Brick by brick, we gonna tear those evil walls down. We want no more walls around us, no more walls to divide us. Brick by brick, we gonna beat them down, 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 down. Stick by stick, we gonna beat the oppressors down. It is the right of every man to live and be free, no matter what the race or creed or ideology. People get what people want, that's their destiny. It may take 100 years, but they'll get it eventually. No more wars around us, no more wars to divide us. Brick by brick, we gonna tear those evil walls down. No more walls around us, no more walls to divide us. Brick by brick, we gonna tear them down, 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 down. Stick by stick, we gonna beat the oppressors down. We're taking another route to peace. We want the guns and the bomb to cease. We can't make peace by making war. We can't get close by staying far. No more wars, no more wars, no more wars. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Ooh, oh Lord, yeah. We're talking about the Berlin walls. We're talking about the Iron Curtain. Things will change one bright day, and this is for certain. People get what people want, that's their destiny. tear those evil walls down. Stick by stick, we gonna beat the oppressors down. We want no more wars around us, no more wars to divide us. Brick by brick, we gonna tear them down, 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 down. Stick by stick, we gonna beat the oppressors down.
Myself together. Yes, can't afford to let my faith go. You know, whenever the sun comes a shining and my sisters are all smiling, the one is a dying. My people are crying. We are living in the love of the Father. Living in the house of the Almighty, yeah. Living in the love of the Father. Living in the house of the Almighty, yeah. Whoa, whoa, well. Whoa, 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 whoa. The days of destruction will never be. Oh no, not unto a wise man who will see. Yet the fool thinks he knows it all. Here comes later, he stammers and falls. He goes down for a reason. Jah is giving him a beating. To the foundation, he'll have to go down. To the foundation, chant him down to the foundation. He'll have to go down to the foundation. Whoa, yeah. Ooh, well, yeah. Ooh, well, yeah, yeah. Days of destruction will never be. Oh no, not unto a wise man who will see. Yet the fool thinks he knows it all. Here comes later, he stumbles and falls. He goes down for a reason. Jack is giving him a beating. To the foundation, he'll have to go down.
I don't like your anger. I don't like the way they fuss and fight. People, don't you think it's time you think it over? Cause this violence and crime is getting out of control. Look how many loved ones going down under. Don't you think that all these leaders should stop and consider? From the beginning when Cain killed Abel, what is happening today is written in the Bible. All the fussing and fighting and backbiting. From that day till today, mankind has been unstable. But beg you, cool off the war. Tell me what you're fighting for. If you go on like this, tell me how will you exist? I said to cool down the heat, trample the violence on the feet. We can come together and make
of the billions they spend on warfare. Oh gosh, billions, man. People are still suffering out there. Yes. What is really wrong with you, mankind? Don't you see it's time you put your violence and crime behind? But you cool down the war. Tell me what you're fighting for. If we go on like this, tell me how will we exist? Cool down the heat, trample the violence on the feet. We can come together and make our lives complete. Yeah, ceasefire. Tell me what you really require. Ceasefire. War is nothing but disaster. Ceasefire. Hungry youths them need them supper. Ceasefire. Ceasefire. Yeah. Don't you think mankind should try to think it over? Yes. Cause this violence and crime is getting out of control. Look how many loved ones going down under. It's time that all your leaders should consider. From the beginning of time when Cain killed Abel, so it is today. You can read it in the Bible. But when you cool down the war, tell me what you're fighting for. If we go on like this, how long will we exist? Beg you cool down the heat, trample the violence on the feet. We can come together. Great is the maker of everything, every being that's living. Great and small, he created all, but his name we all must call. He made the heavens and the firmament, evil things not spoken of. Mighty God is terrible, it's terrible than all. Ooh, yeah, 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 I believe. Ooh, yeah, 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 just Messenjah and see. Ooh, yeah, 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 I believe. Ooh, yeah, 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 just Messenjah and see. I'd walk in the path of righteousness, spreading your love and happiness, teaching your word all over, try to heal the world, hoping one day that things will turn, all mankind the truth and learn, showing the youth the way to earn, to escape the fire burn. Ooh, yeah, 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 I believe. Ooh, yeah, 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 just Messenjah and see. Ooh, yeah, 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 I believe. Ooh, yeah, 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 just Messenjah and see. Let us make a joyful noise and let the whole world hear us. Let's be humble and be wise and be upright in your eyes. Ooh, yeah, 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 I believe. Ooh, yeah, 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 these blessings we will see. Ooh, yeah, 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 I believe. Ooh, yeah, 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 just blessings we will see. Mighty and terrible sea, great of land and sea, all things great and small, created He, one and all. Great is the maker of everything, every being that's living. Great and small, He created all, on His name we all must call. He made the heavens and the firmament, evil things not spoken of. Mighty God is terrible, it's terrible than all. Ooh, yeah, 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 I believe. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. The blessings I receive. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I believe. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. The blessings I receive. Mighty God, oh, mighty God.
Africa, me a come. Nana, Africa, me a come. Pack me bag ready, fi leave out of the slum. Ask Emperor if him a come. Tell Ken Zero say they must have fi come. Call Jesse Gender, tell him say ma fi come. Tell Silla say him have fi come. Ain't no way I would leave them down there in the slum. Me say me call Fire Black, tell him say fi come. Call Aya Billy, tell him say fi come. I won't leave for Rasta man them, all have to come. Hey. Long time we are it and we feeling it red. The system in a Babylon is getting dreaded. A lot of people out there get off their head. You can see it by the amount of crazy people on the street. Listen, Nana, Africa. Me a come, Nana, Africa. Whoa. I'm black, bold and beautiful. Look at my natty dread, it's as pure as wool. How them feel lie down. I'm not subjected to being pushed around. And I won't play their circus clown. I'm leaving out of town. Rasta leaving out of town. Why, me say Nana, Africa. Me a come, Nana, oh Africa. Say give me a piece of land in a Soweto, and give me a piece of land in a Nigeria, and give me a piece of land in Ghana. Give me a little piece of land in Shashamali, but I'm ready. Rasta man is ready to go home. Ask Emperor if him ready. Run, go call Congo Jesse. Send, go call Selassie. Tell Ken Zero say me ready. The one and the man called Johnny. Even he is a soldier in the army. So we ready. And when me sing, say Nana, Africa. We are come, Nana, Africa. We are come. Must have to reach over the border. Lightning pan them chlorine water. How long them think we are stay on ya? After we leave ya, pure natural disaster. Earthquake, flood and lava. Nana, Africa. Rastaman come, Nana, Africa. Woy, Nana, Africa. Run, go back, Congo Jesse. Send, call Selassie. Go tell Ken Zero send me ready. Call the Bobo and the Bingy. The Orthodox even 12 tribe. And all the Rasta man with him say them wise. I wonder if them only Rastafari can help I and I in this time I say. Cause it rain in Babylon this day now. Ja Rastafari on a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday afternoon, boy. Ja Rastafari on a Thursday, a Friday, and even Saturday too, yeah. I listen Lassie on a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday afternoon, boy. I listen Lassie on a Thursday, a Friday, and even Saturday too, yeah. Cause I said I know that Jah is real. Because this is something that I know, not just what I feel. I know that Jah is real. Boy. Yes, this is something that I know, not just what I feel. No, some up on the television and I try to denounce the man.
Feel them a feel, cause them no know about the man. Some dep on the radio, and I chat with them no know. A rumor them a spread, me know say nothing no go so. Me said I know that Jaja, he is real. Crowd of people, it's something that I know, not just what I feel. So Rastafari on a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday afternoon, boy. Ja Rastafari on a Thursday, a Friday, even Saturday too, boy. I still I see on a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday afternoon, well. I still I see on a Thursday, a Friday, even Saturday will do, well. Hey, run them around off the mouth, but we don't care a damn. Because I hear Rasta man gear up, we go fight the Gideon. Because the battle might be hot, but the victory will be sweet. And oh, what a joy to see them trampling on their feet. The battle might be hot, but the victory will be sweet. Oh, what a joy to see them trampling on their feet. Because I know that Jaja, he is real. Boy, yes, this is something that I know, not just what I feel. Oh, I said I know that Jaja, he is real. Oh, boy. Yes, this is something that I know, not just what I feel. Not all, boy. Some dep on the television and I try to denounce the man. Blasphemers, watch yourself, you lose your foot and lose your hand. Some dep on the radio and I chat with them, no know. A rumor them must make me know, say nothing no go so. Because I know that Jaja, he is real, real. Yes, this is something that I know, not just what I can feel. Yes, I said I know that Jaja is real. Yes, this is something that I know, not just what I feel. Ja Rastafari on a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday afternoon.
Jah, 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 Jah. Never let us down, no Jah. Never let us down. Everyone to sing, yeah. Jah, 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 Jah. Never let us down, no Jah. Never let us down. 5 loaves of bread, 5,000 defend. Just like Moses right past the Red Sea, Jah. Never let I down. 10 and 20,000 rise up against me. No, not one of them can come smite me, Jah. Never let I down. Wicked heart and evil mind concentrate me. Thinking all they want terminate me, Jah. Never let us down. He's my shield and my buckler. He's my guide and protector. Whoa, he never let I down. Sing it at me, sing yeah. Go Jah, 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 Jah. Never let us down, no Jah. Never let us down. Everyone to sing yeah. Jah, 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 Jah. Never let us down, no Jah. Never let us down. Like David slew Goliath with a sling and a stone. Samson slew the Philistine with a jackass jawbone. Jah never let I down. I run my back up in a sticky situation. Jah preserve a better preparation. Wow, we never let I down. They'll give you a basket to carry water. Why, oh why? To do Jah works, I'll never falter. Oh, no, no. Fool saying there is no God. But praising Jah, I'm feeling glad. Yeah. Oh, Jah, 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 Jah. Never let us down, no Jah. Never let us down. Everyone to sing, yeah. Jah, 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 Jah. Never let us down, no Jah. Never let us down. 5 loaves of bread, 5,000 defend. Just like Moses right past the Red Sea, Jah. Never let I down. 10 and 20,000 rise up against me. No, not one of them can come smite me, Jah. Never let I down. Evil mind and evil thought concentrate me. Thinking how they want terminate me, Jah. Never let us down. Sing it and me sing, yeah. Jah, 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 Jah. Never let us down, no Jah. Never let us down. Everyone to sing, yeah. Jah, 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 Jah. Never let us down, no Jah. Never let us down. Oh, hey, Jah, 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 Jah. Never let us down, no Jah.
Oh, now, now. Oh, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Stop your fussing and your fighting, brothers. Now's the time for uniting sisters. Stop your fussing and your fighting, brothers. Oh yeah. Now's the time for uniting sisters. Said it's time to unite. It's time to live upright. It's time to unite. It's time to live upright. Ooh, look at it. A chain is as strong as its weakest link. Oh yeah, yeah. Each one's his brother's keeper. Listen up, listen up. Unity is the foundation of survival. Had to let your love come shining through. See, stop your fussing and your fighting, brothers. brothers. Now's the time for united sisters. Look at it. Why lose your soul because of folly? Leaving behind your woman and babies, allowing them to face the judgment of the world. Men, women, boys and girls. Yeah, hey. Stop your fussing and your fighting, brothers. Now's the time for united sisters. Yeah. Stop the fussing and the fighting, brothers. Now's the time for uniting sisters. Whoa, 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 ooh, ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Women and babies, allowing them to face the judgment of the world. Men, women, boys and girls. Hey. Whoa, well, the promised land, going to the promised land. Yes, the promised land. Oh gosh, now to the promised land. Well, make a step down to Asmara. Then we stopped in Addis Ababa. Made our way to Shashamani land. Riding on the King's Highway to the promised land. Going to the promised land. Oh gosh, to the promised land. Oh, to the promised land. Well, there's plenty of land for you and I, by and by. Lots of food to share for everyone. No time for segregation in the promised land. Oh gosh, take me to the promised land. It's the promised land, boy. That's the promised land. Oh, 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 yeah. Said we're riding on the King's Highway from Cairo to Kenya. Made a stop in Asmara, then we made another one in Addis Ababa. The promised land, going to the promised land. Oh gosh, save the promised land. Yeah, I'm the promised land. Oh, then I said to myself, give a thanks for the prophet God, for he gave me the teaching so I could see the reality of my true being. And David said, there's a lot of work to be done, oh gosh, in the promised land. Yeah, talking about the promised land. Yes, to the promised land. The promised land. Going to the promised land. Oh, the promised land. Oh, the promised land. Step the promised land. Oh, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah. Brother man, what are you doing for the promised land? Gotta take your stand and let the brightness live on. Yeah.
work to be done. No, you can't run. Got a job to be done, so you got to do it even a little by little. Yes, the promised land. Going to the promised land. Said the promised land. Going to the promised land.
It was a lonely night, a night like this, when I lay down on my bed. When I thought about the God I serve and all I'm going through, as the memories rushed down through my mind, it brought tears down to my pillows. Saying to myself, I must rise and go and testify. 'Cause man was made to serve God, and together we live forever. Man was made to serve God, and together we live forever. Upon this earth on which I trod to teach the word of God, my Bible is my only shield and the music is my rod. I pray mankind would hear my voice and listen when Jah called, but all they do is carry on like they don't care at all. When man was made to serve Jah, and together live forever. Man was made to serve Jah, and together we'll live forever. Was a lonely night, a night like this, when I lay down on my bed. When I thought about the God I serve and all I'm going through, as the memories rushed down through my mind, it brought tears down to my pillows. I said to myself that I must rise and go and speak your word, 'cause I know that man was made to serve God, and together would live forever. Man was made to serve God, and together would live forever. Yeah. Pray that you can live to see tomorrow. Man was made to serve God, and together we'll live forever. Man was made to serve God, and together we'll live forever. Just say I am a messenger to teach you about roots and culture. I tell them how to remember Jah. That's all I am doing with I am. Well, they say I am a messenger to teach you about roots and culture. I tell them how to remember Jah. That's all I am doing with I am. See I, some man a sing about how them boss love both, them forget Jah and put them woman up front. There's a time and a place for everything. Whoa. See them a talk about how them fire them gun, and I talk about how them boss got lean. But I don't have no time to mingle in I feel urge. I and I must carry on the world. Just say I have a messenger to teach you youths about roots and culture. I tell them that if you remember Jah, that's all I deal with. I just say I have a messenger to teach you youths about roots and culture. I tell them that if you remember Jah, that's all I deal with. To teach you youths about roots and culture. I tell them that if you remember Jah, that's all I deal with. Well, just say I have a messenger to teach you youths about roots and culture. I tell them that if them remember Jah, that's all I deal with. Just say I have a messenger to teach you youths about roots and culture. I tell them that if you remember Jah, that's all I deal with. Just say I have a messenger to teach you youths about roots and culture. I tell them that if you remember Jah, that's all I deal with.
Life is so hard when you live in the ghetto. Traveling from the Bronx over to Brooklyn,
I hear them crying.
Passing Staten Island to Manhattan,
See them dying.
and I've been wondering how my poor black people living. Some live in suburban shacks,
Hey,
some wrap up in cardboard box,
hey,
some melt in stones and rocks.
hey.
Their liberty's so hard knocks, yeah. 'Cause I see slavery,
Slavery,
mental slavery.
slavery,
Well, I see slavery, yeah.
slavery,
Physical slavery.
slavery,
And it moves me to see psychological slavery.
slavery.
Traveling from Detroit to Chicago, and all I see is pushers pushing their every cargo. They don't even care who live or die tomorrow. Remember that their joy is someone's sorrow. 'Cause I see slavery,
Slavery,
mental slavery.
slavery,
Yes, I see slavery, yeah, psychological slavery.
slavery,
And it moved me to see physical slavery. I
slavery.
wonder how they feel when they go to bed late at night. People living on welfare, heads of government don't care with their murky jerky system, and poor people are always a victim. 'Cause I see slavery, mental slavery. I see slavery, whoa, physical slavery. Whoa, and it moves me deep down in my soul. Yeah. Traveling from Barbados to Antigua.
I hear them crying.
Oh, I say Trinidad, Guyana to Jamaica.
See them dying.
And I've been wondering how poor people living on ya. Some living on the street side.
Slavery,
Some support they can't even pay for a taxi ride. 'Cause I see slavery,
slavery,
mental slavery.
slavery,
Oh, I see slavery, whoa,
Slavery.
physical slavery.
slavery,
And it moved me to see psychological slavery.
slavery.
People crying out for more, but there ain't no open door. People crying over to Brooklyn.
I hear them crying.
Wondering how poor people is living.
See them dying.
Some living in cardboard box. Hey, yeah. Some live in suburban shacks.
Hey,
'Cause I see slavery,
slavery,
mental slavery. Oh,
slavery,
I see slavery, whoa,
Slavery.
physical slavery.
There shall be a base. Look out, Babylon mash up the whole place.
Inside out,
Babylon turn the world
upside down,
round and round and round and round.
inside out,
Babylon turn the world
upside down.
Lord no.
I saw the thing set up.
See then now everything mess up. Boy,
I saw the thing set up.
if you try to take a seat, them lift you up.
I saw the thing set up.
Carpet throw away, cause them mash the cup. Lord no.
I saw the thing set up.
See then now everything mess up round here. Everything that's happening is by design, not by mistake. With them evil conception, mismanagement, they mash up the place. Sufferation rampant out the street, you know see it. All over the world, them said it's the Great Depression, I do it. Poor people eating the bitter, them can't get none of the sweet.
I saw the thing set up.
See then now everything mess up. Boy,
I saw the thing set up.
if you try to take a seat, them lift you up. Get up.
I saw the thing set up.
Carpet throw away, cause them mash the cup. Lord no.
I saw the thing set up.
See then now everything mess up round here. That's why they want to see us fighting and killing each other. Everything them a publish is about Polly and Gaza. The headline of every newspaper is about cartel and Mavado. Make them a go on so, Lord. Why make them a go on so? Them a move like vigilante, Geronimo. Poor people love it talk cause how we run the show. How we select the tune them pan them radio. Woy-yoy, woy-yoy.
Inside out,
Babylon turn the world
upside down. Round and round. I saw the thing set up.
See then now everything mess up. Boy,
I saw the thing set up.
if you try to take a seat, them lift you.
Jala set me free.
Let me tell you about this friend I know.
friend I know.
Stick to me now everywhere I go. A friend indeed, someone I can rely on. Guide me through the sinking sand. Never let me sit up in the seat of the scornful, or walk it in the wages of sinners. No, no. Love with me, love with me, and take me higher. Child love, take me higher. Love with me, love with me, and take me higher. Child love, take me higher. I never seemed to know which way to go until you came along and showed me how to go. You say go, hold on to your pride and stand up strong. Always keep a smile and let it glow, glow. You say glow. Lift me, child, lift me, love, take me higher. Child, love, take me higher. Love, lift me, love, lift me, and take me higher. Child, love, take me higher. I wish everyone in this world would acknowledge you. Everyone in this world and you would be friends. Oh, what a wonderful world this would be, yes. Internationally, yes. Universally, officially. Lift me up, lift me and take me higher. Jah love, take me higher. I wish everyone in this world would acknowledge you. Everyone in this world and you would be friends. Love, take me higher. Jah love, take me higher. Love, lift me, lift me, love, take me higher. Jah love, take me higher. Love, lift me, love, lift me, love, take me higher. Jah love, take me higher. Take me higher, Jah love, take me higher. Lift me, love, lift me, love, take me higher. Jah love, take me higher. What is this? I hear them talk about Operation Kingfish. What's this? I see them setting up another ditch. What is this? I hear them talk about FBI spies. What's this? I hear them selling all the alibi. It wasn't on a Monday, a Tuesday, a Wednesday, a Thursday. It wasn't on a Friday. It wasn't on a Saturday, but a Sunday. They say they hear they can't find me. They say, where do you work? Where do you sleep? What time of day do you eat? What time of the day you talk? Do you have a son? Do you have a gun? What's this? I hear them talk about Operation Kingfish. What is this? I see them digging out another ditch. What's this? I hear them talk about FBI spies. What is this? I see them sell another alibi. And us a build up your churches, warehouses, courthouses and bars. And all of them are just a robbery. Warehouses, jailhouses make headline news. All of them appear sreggae. Oh boy. What's this? I hear them talk about Operation Kingfish. What is this? I see them digging out another ditch. What is this? I hear them talk about FBI spies. What's this? I see them selling us some alibi. They show no love. People got the job. They show no love. Use my people like dogs. Why so expensive for the children to learn? Where to see for the farmer to turn? Where to jump for the people to earn? Fire burn. What is this? I hear them talk about Operation Kingfish. What is this? I see them digging out another ditch. What is this? I hear them talk about FBI spies. What is this? They're taking people for an alibi. They never check me on a Monday, a Tuesday, a Wednesday, a Thursday, even on a Friday. Hey, hey. Don't ever check me on a Saturday. They say Sunday I'm always in town. What is this? I hear them talk about Operation Kingfish. What is this? I see them digging out another ditch. What is this? I hear them talk about FBI spies. What is this? They take the people for an alibi. Oh yeah. No, 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 no. Do you know what it means to have a revolution? And what it takes to make a solution? Fighting against oppression. Ooh, yeah. Battering down
girl. Can you see for yourself? The timing is essential.
So rude boy, you got to be on the alert.
You could be next, you better watch how you a flex. A youth is dying to take the S off of your chest. Today you are a ruling cowboy. Tomorrow all the man is gonna treat you like a toy. You should be cooling, homeboy. Yes, you better cool it off. Today you are a ruling cowboy. Tomorrow all the man is gonna treat you like a boy. You should be cooling, cowboy. Yes, I say fi cool it off. Homeboy, I say fi cool it off, boy. Rude boy gon' cool it off. Nobody dip your hand in the young man waist. Bad boy, nobody juke off him face. Cause if the Babylon come on the corner, then you know appear eating at the place. Today you are a ruling cowboy. Tomorrow all the man is gonna treat you like a boy. You should be cooling, homeboy. Yes, I say fi cool it off. Homeboy, I say fi cool it off. Today you hot up the area. Lawmen come and you can't stay on ya. You have to run, leave your friends, leave your brand new Benz. And Lord, that don't make no sense. Today you are a ruling cowboy. Tomorrow all the man is gonna treat you like a toy. You should be cooling, homeboy. Yes, I say fi cool it off. Today you are a ruling cowboy. Tomorrow all the man is gonna treat you like a boy. You should be cooling, homeboy. Yes, I say fi cool it off. Homeboy, I say fi cool it off. But if I hot you hot, I fi go lick some shot. Go down to South Africa, go do that. If you feel your might like you want come fight, go down to South Africa, go do that. But no make no war on the corner, cause when you run gone, we still have to live on ya. Me say we can't take the pressure from the Babylon. The good will have to suffer for your bad reputation. Woo-wee, woo-wee, yeah. And me say if them hold you, your money can't help you. Your Benz and Volvo won't determine the future. So use your head and cool out instead. Cause in the jailhouse, my friend, the running's well tread. Oh Lord, today you are a ruling cowboy. Tomorrow all the man is gonna treat you like a toy. You should be cooling, homeboy. Yes, I say fi cool it off. Today you are a ruling